New England Auto Truck here today. Have a 2016 Nissan 2500 NV van, N10362. This is going to be a nose, so it'll come with the grille. The front bumper, we'll get you another one. Needs a front bumper, but the upper cap is good. Headlights are great. Hood, clean fenders, 000. We'll cut it right through the windshield. Great nose. And then after the nose, we'll do left front suspension complete, right front suspension complete. Will be separate. Got a clean left front door. Power mirror. This side no good. Got a rear axle. Got 4 clean 2500 wheels. Got a right rear door clean. Got a right rear tail light. Got a right body side rear. It does have a big slider on it. Just a little crease, but good body size somebody's looking for. Got some roof racks. If somebody's looking for roof racks, give my sales guys a call. We'll pull those off and sell them to you. We got a right slider, perfect condition. Right front door, very clean. Another right side mirror. Interior, all the bags are good. It's got the motor, runs great in it. Got a V6 in it. Oil was clean and full. Runs great. Interior. It's got the cage in the back. If somebody's looking for a cage, give the sales guys a call. Got some decent seats. Still in good shape. It has manual doors on it. It's got the base radio with the CD player. It's got the manual heater control. Got a good dash bag on the passenger side. 94,000 miles. Next oil change was due at 97.3, so well taken care of. Work van. Runs great, idle smooth. If you're looking for a nose for a NV 2016 Nissan van, or you need a motor or a tranny, give my sales guys a call. We got lots of great parts off this vehicle. Have a great day.